Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you all staying at home? Not going out? Okay, very good. Now, today we will do our page number 29 of reader book. Here is a story of a greedy dog. Here is a story of greedy dog. Now, I will tell you this story through a chart. Here you can see there is a dog and it had a bone in his mouth. क्या है उसके मुंह में? A piece of bone. And as he was crossing a stream, जब वो एक नदी पार कर रहा था तो उसने क्या देखा? He saw its shadow. उसने अपनी shadow देखी और उसे लगा कि एक दूसरा डॉग है और उसके मुंह में भी एक पीस ऑफ बोन है. तो उसने सोचा कि पहले मैं इसका पीस भी ले लूँ. तो उसने उसके पीस लेने की वजह से उसने क्या स्टार्ट किया? ही स्टार्टेड बार्किंग, भौ भौ. तो जैसे ही उसने भौ भौ किया और उसका अपना हड्डी का पीस, अपनी बोन का पीस भी नीचे गिर गया, तो उसका अपना पीस भी चला गया. तो वी शुड नॉट बी ग्रीडी. द टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज वी शुड नॉट बी ग्रीडी एंड दिस डॉग वॉज वेरी ग्रीडी. द ग्रीडी डॉग. दिस story is about a greedy dog. Now this story we will do in our book. Okay, now first question is use a, e or I to complete these words. We will use vowels a, e and I to complete these words. First word is w, h dash dash ls. What we will write here? We will write here wheels. W h double e l s, wheels. Next word is b dash n dash n dash. Here we have written double e. Now we are using a vowel here. b a n a n a, banana. Now next we will use here I vowel. I vowel to b I n, bin. Okay, we have used all three vowels. Now we will complete this story as I have told you through the picture. Use words in place of pictures and complete the story. What is the first picture? First picture is dog. So we will write here dog. First word we will write capital. Dog walks out of his dash. So what is this? Here you can see kennel, dog's house. So we will write here kennel. K E double N E L, kennel. He finds a dash. What you can see here? It is a bone. When he walks out, so he finds a bone. B O N E, bone. He passes a dash. What you can see here? Pond. So what we will write here? Pond. P O N D, pond. He sees himself in the water. He thinks it is another dog. What picture is this? Dog. So we will write here dog. He wants his dash dash. What is this? Bone. What picture is this? Bone. He wants his bone. The dash barks loudly. Who is this? What is this? Dog. The dog barks loudly. The dash falls into the dash. The dash. What is this? Bone. So we will write here bone. the bone falls into the pond. What you can see here? Pond. So we will write here pond. Once again we will read this story. Now we have filled this. Dog walks out of his kennel. Here you can see the kennel. He finds a bone. We have written here. You can see the picture here. He passes a pond. Here you can see the pond, and we have written also. He sees himself in the water. He thinks it is another dog. उसको क्या दिखाई देता है कि ये दूसरा डॉग है. He wants his bone. और वो उसकी भी बोन लेना चाहता है. The dog barks loudly. The bone falls into the pond. So we should not be greedy. The dog was very greedy and he lost his own bone also. उसकी अपनी बोन भी नीचे वाटर में गिर जाती है. ठीक है. तो okay, now what you have learned from this story? That we should not be greedy. Okay, thank you.